We've been getting you voices here on India Today of Indians who are stranded in Kabul. We've spoken to one who is stranded near the Kabul airport. Ravi Malik has revealed that scores of Indians are stuck with no water, no food, and has appealed to the Indian government for help to evacuate them immediately. Ravi Malik is joining us now on the phone lines. Ravi, thank you for speaking to us here on India Today. I understand that you, along with several other Indians, are stranded currently. Can you just confirm for us, are you currently at the Kabul airport?
Well, we are not at the Kabul airport. We are near to Kabul airport. And yesterday morning, we got information that we have to gather at some secure location to get evacuated. And there are almost more than 200 people here. And from yesterday morning till today morning, there is no water, no food. We have patients here. We have families, kids. There's lots of chaos going on right now here. And there is no proper, proper facility that people can stay here or they can spend a night here properly. And we are hearing sound of firing outside. And in fact, we are getting we are threatened by the local here that if we will get out from this place, then we will not be able to evacuate it. So it's a little bit, very messy situation right now here, and we don't know what to do right now.
I can imagine how scary that must be. Ravi, can you just tell us how many people are stuck with you where you are currently?
It's more than 250 people.
And these are families, everyone, little children, all of that?
These ladies, children, small children, patients, and everyone is here.
What is the communication that you have received, Ravi? You said that you were told to gather at this place because of evacuation operations. Since then, have you received any further communication?
Nothing yet, nothing yet. We have been told that evacuation will happen very soon, but we are just waiting to get this information to be implemented on ground. But it's just words which are given to us and nothing practical.
How long have you been stuck there, and has there been any communication since you've been stuck in that building with all the other Indians there?
We were here from 16th onward. We stuck here, but after having lots of communication with our ministries and government officials, we somehow got good news that they have arranged our evacuation, and we have to gather somewhere near to the airport so that they can provide a safe passage to get inside the airport and get evacuated by the plane which was arranged for us. But since morning, last morning, we are here. It's more than 24 hours now, and there is no concrete news that they are going to get us evacuated even today.
Okay, and Ravi, you're saying that for 24 hours now you've been stuck there along with so many families. What's the situation outside the Kabul airport? Because we've been getting in some very worrying reports of, huge number of people gathering there. The gates are closed, but Taliban fighters are also on the streets.
There are lots of firing going on right now over there, and it's more than 2 lakh people who are trying to get inside the airport. The military forces of U.S., they are also, trying to stop them, and that is the reason why there are firings between U.S. forces and Taliban. So because they are doing some aerial fire, but we also got news that some people get shot and they are almost died. So it's really a panic situation outside. And one more thing, we all Indians got, we gathered inside this new location, and more than 250 people are here. Now here there are no security, and that is the main concern why everyone is scared that if anything happens, then I don't think that anyone will even get information that how many people get shot or what type of incident can happen. We cannot even imagine. If Taliban people will get information that we are here, then I don't think that we will be secure anymore.
So you're currently in hiding where you are with all the other families? You're all in hiding right now from the Taliban?
We are hiding, but there are no security outside even to stop Taliban. If they get information we are here, then we are gone.
Very, very scary, and I hope the authorities get in touch with you at the earliest, Ravi. If you can tell us, in the last 24 hours, have you received any communication whatsoever, at least help with regards to provisions, because you're telling us there's no water or food?
There are communications, but all false promises was given to us, and there are no food. Even the main concern we have here is that we have some patients, even sugar patient, BP patients, and having no food, no water, then you can understand what type of situation they are facing right now.
I can only imagine. Ravi, we will ensure that we also try our hardest to reach out to the authorities and ensure you and all the other families, all the other Indians stranded there get help at the earliest. Thank you very much for joining us here on India Today. We'll keep in touch with you. We'll follow up and ensure that you get the necessary help as well. You can only imagine the plight of all those Indians who are stranded currently in this kind of a situation. Many of them are telling us, as Ravi also pointed out, that they received communication from the government. They were told to head closer to the Kabul airport, and so they did that. But what's happening is outside the Kabul airport, things are so very tense that none of them are able to step out. And because of that, they've run out of basic ration. They don't have water or food.